Want to know where to put your money? Just go to where the worst headline is. Time for a little insight and action. Let me show you what we're talking about, a little perspective here. The downgrade, we were all talking about how scary it was that the U.S. was going to get downgraded. That's what happened. Of course, you remember, if we can get the screen to turn on, well, maybe not. There it was back in August of about a year and a half ago. And what did borrowing costs do? They went from 3% down to 2%. Not so scary. Downgrade, no problem. So it wasn't an issue in the U.S. What about over in Greece, where there has been total chaos? Guess what? No problem. At least not if you look at the bonds. Look at this. If you came in and bought the bonds in Greece about 6-7 months ago, you paid 15 cents on the dollar. Where are they now? 50 cents. And by the way, in several months, we're going to have to renegotiate austerity terms. So chaos, clearly not a problem. The market kind of liked it, came in and created an opportunity. Look at what's happening in Spain. Unemployment, 24%, highest it's ever been. What are the bonds doing? They're coming down. And look at what's happened to the yield. We're seeing the lowest yield, actually, in several months, right? Chaos, unemployment, getting downgraded. None of this seems to be a problem. The question is, so, okay, where are the problems now? Because if it's worked out okay in these three examples, maybe this is where we should put our money today. Italian banks, look at this, trading at half of book value. In other words, all the securities on their books should be worth book value. Banks are trading at half that. Maybe that's one place we go. Cyprus, next week, EU ministers are getting together to figure out what to do with Cyprus. What's happening there? 9.2% yield. Maybe this is what's scary now, and maybe, therefore, that's what we ought to be buying. Kind of curious, isn't it, Trish?